Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to use different photography styles on your iPhone SE 3. Photography styles are 5 presets you can choose to use and apply to a photo before you take a shot. There are 5 presets to choose from. You have standard, rich contrast, vibrant, warm, and cool. So let me show you how to change or use these photography styles on your iPhone SE 3. On your iPhone, open the camera app. Now here, make sure photo mode is selected. Now swipe up from the center of the screen and you should see more tools appear above the shutter button. Tap on the icon that looks like 3 diamonds. It should show you the available photographic style. By default, it is always on standard. Now by swiping right, you can change the photography style. You have rich contrast, vibrant, warm, and cool. Whichever style you like, select that and then go ahead and take a picture. Now, whenever you take a photo in the camera app, the photography style will be set. If you want to change the style, just tap on the diamond again and then select a new photography style. Another way of selecting photographic style on your iPhone SE 3 is by going to Settings, then scroll down and find Camera, then tap on it, then scroll down again and tap on Photographic Styles. Swipe right to see all the available styles. Once you're happy with the style, tap on Use the style name. And that is how to use different photographic styles on your iPhone SE 3. If you have made it to the end of this video, then please hit that like button and most importantly, please consider subscribing to the channel for more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.